In this tutorial, we will see that how you can delete YouTube channel permanently in just few steps. So let's dive in. From desktop, you can open any browser. I will open this Google and here open YouTube, and on the right top side, you will find the icon of your Gmail account. Tap on that and it will open this sum of options. Then you will see your channel name here, and here you will see a switch account where you can switch your account that you want to delete. After selecting your account from the switch account option, simply open this YouTube Studio. Click on continue, and on the left side, you will find this sum of options. You have to scroll down until you find this settings. Open it, and from settings you have to open channel, advanced settings, and scroll down. Now in other settings you will find this remove YouTube content or manage YouTube account. You have to click on this remove YouTube content and this window will open. Now it will give you two options to hide your channel or delete your channel permanently. You have to select this second option, permanently delete my content. Then you can check this your information like 9 subscriptions to other channels, content, comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, and many more. You have to select these checks and click on delete my content. Then you have to type your email address that will show here while deleting account. You have to simply rewrite here to confirm and simply click on delete my content. So that's how you can delete your YouTube channel permanently.